Come with me to Vintage Camera Museum at Bugis. This is based in Singapore, and here I am vlogging my trip experience with some of my friends in RVRC, and we organized this as part of the interest group in photography. This is my first time using the cinematic mode in my camera, so I was quite fascinated at how it blurs out the background very automatic. This is how the exterior of the museum looks like. Right here we're just waiting for the opening hours to begin so that we can enter. Each admission ticket is $20, but because we're going into school, so there was a discount for us. So first off, when we landed inside the area, we were asked to watch the video about the history and evolution of cameras, how it started and what were the backgrounds of it. It's called pigeon photography, where people use cameras and attach the pigeons, get them to take a picture as they fly in the sky. And then we were asked, why is this camera so huge? So after reading it up, it's actually because it's designed to take a picture of the entire landscape of the MRT train. Over at the Vintage Camera Museum, there was also this mini camera lens thingy that we were taking photos, or like a selfie of us.
Oh, I saw it.
And then there was also like a trick eye museum sort of thing inside the Vintage Camera Museum as well. It's probably nicer if you were to go there personally to see it yourself, but here's how it might look like if you wish to go to the museum. And I must say that I'm very impressed because in such a small space they have so many cameras, and the person is introducing the different types of cameras that were invented in different countries and how the different functions work. There are different names and a different year of the camera labeled on the shelf, and it's just very amazing, right? There are just so many types of cameras that I didn't know existed, and there was this hands-on activity that we got to try to figure out how these different versions of the cameras would work. And it's quite a nice experience. You can try it yourself. There's ASMR. It looks easy for someone to just turn it, but it wasn't the case when I landed my hands on the camera.
You know how you turn it just now?
I felt like a noob, yeah. I thought I got it, but no. Yeah, and the next few minutes was just me trying to figure out how to use it.
Is it the top one? Oh, spoil it. Oh, yeah.
can just
Can see anything.
I can't find the blue
got
guy.
say right.
I think it's
I think it's either from here or there. Oh, maybe so.
Yep, and that's it.